Rhodiola Rosea is an adaptogenic plant found in the mountainous regions of North America, Europe, Asia. It's been used a lot medicinally over the centuries with the Vikings, with the Chinese and the Russians.
There's been some more recent studies that have validated those original traditional medicinal uses, and there's also been some studies in rats that have been done that indicate an increase in endurance performance on a swim to exhaustion test. So what we wanted to do was take the data that was suggesting a role in humans medicinally and combine that with the rat studies for endurance performance to see if there's any acute dose endurance performance effects that are seen in vivo in humans. We saw a significant effect for the groups in heart rate. There was a decrease in the Rhodiola Rosea group during the standardized warm-up. Because the warm-up was standardized between the two trials, there would be an expected similar cardiac output for the subject in the two groups. The two components of cardiac output are heart rate. So with a decrease in heart rate, it would be associated with an expected increase in stroke volume. If you look at the next graph, it talks about the actual performance on the indoor time trial. Although it's not significant, we see it approaching significance between the two groups, Rhodi having it improve performance on the time trial. There's been some studies that have suggested that an increased stroke volume is associated with increased endurance performance. So the top graph suggests that although it's not statistically significant, there are some effects going on for Rhodiola Rosea in the endurance aspect of the time trial. Decreased heart rate in the warm-up. Like I said, that is suggestive of an increase in stroke volume in the Rhodiola group. The mechanisms for that remain unclear, and so that's a potential further area of study.